How's it feel to be a college graduate?
Hey, wait a minute. This isn't one of those, like, now that you've graduated, get out of my house's speech, is it?
No. I'm saving that one for next week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I know you got your heart set on getting into the video business.
No, not the video business, Uncle. The movie-making business.
Well, how does one go about getting involved in the movie-making business?
I have no idea.
Hey, did you hear my dad is making me assistant director on his new feature? Well, let that be a lesson to you. It's not about what you know, but who you know.
Oh, so hard to get good help these days.
If you had a short, that would really show me your abilities as a filmmaker.
So, honey, how did your interviews go today? All he has to do is put together a really good-looking short and win a festival or two.
Oh, but wait. This is not a dentist's chair. This is a barber's chair.
I wanted to style here.
What's going on here? Who's hurt?
Okay, cut.
I promised my nephew I was going to go home a little early to help him get ready for his movie premiere party at the house.
Levi.
Yep.
I think your uncle has a flat tire. Can you and Davey go see if you can find him?
Yeah, sure.
Shirley, Levi, got some bad news.
Your uncle left you $200,000 specifically for you to produce your first independent feature film.
So he wants me to make a movie.
He wants you to make a faith-based movie.
How am I supposed to do that? I don't know anything about faith.
I think that's the point, honey. Your uncle and your dad just wanted you to give Faith a real try.
Wait a minute. What if this is our movie? My uncle and his walk through faith, his journey as he struggled through his losses and depression and eventually becoming my mentor, or, well, father figure.
Yeah, that story kind of gets you right here, doesn't it?
I bet you're supposed to help me finish this movie.